Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wise Man, and today I will show you the review of 144 pieces balloons. So I ordered this in Dubai from Amazon.ae, and let's see. So it is TQ top quality latex balloon. It is 100 pieces. It is 100 pieces balloons, and the company is which company? So I will share the screenshot of product from Amazon that I purchased, but the I think company is TQ, and let's see. So as you can see, it is colorful mix assorted balloons. It is having so many colors. And there is one defective piece. So it is 99 balloons pack. I hope there will be no more defective pieces. Now let's see the quality of a balloon. So if I take this is color, which one take, or yellow. Okay, so you can see the quality is okay. Now I will blow it and we will see how much it will blow. So I think this is the maximum size we can go, and you can go also more than this, but I'm not sure whether it will be sustainable or not. So it is quite big. As you can see, you can get a quite big large nice from this balloon set.